Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends, welcome back to Tiny Hands Art. Today, we're drawing and coloring a beautiful house with some fun details. Let's get started. First, I draw a big rectangle in the middle of the page. Now, I draw a small triangle on the top right corner of the roof. In the center of the rectangle, I draw a vertical oval or rounded rectangle for the door. I draw 2 square windows, one on each side of the door. Now draw a chimney to let the hot air pass. I draw bushes at the bottom on both sides of the house. And finally, I draw a few fluffy clouds in the sky to give it a bright and cheerful background. Wow! Our drawing is now complete. Now it's time to add some colors. Let's do it! I use an orange shade to color the main body of the house. Orange means energy. It's the color of the sun, fire, and yummy fruits like oranges and mangoes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Next, I color the roof with a violet. I use red for the door and color the circle on the house yellow. Welcome! Entry costs a smile or snacks. Your choice. The windows get a deep blue color to make them pop. That's window, basically the TV for birds and squirrels.
Oh yeah.
For the chimney, I use maroon and orange. The chimney is like the house's air vent, letting smoke out and keeping the air fresh. I color the bushes green. It's their favorite color, trust me, I asked them. And finally, I fill the background sky with a bright blue color. Can the sky be imagined without the color blue? Tell me! Clouds are just shy water. When they get nervous, they disappear as rain.
Oh yeah.
Do you know? The sky looks blue because sunlight scatters when it passes through the Earth's atmosphere. Definitely practice more and more so you can get better at drawing and stay with tiny hand art. To finish, I go over the entire drawing again with a black marker to highlight all the details. Well done, everyone! Our drawing and coloring of the house are complete. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun art projects. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!